shower.
I will call your
Make I win this woman. She dey cheat on me.
My people, on us they be, on us they go. See, I there with my Mr. Chika. Mr. Chika sent me message, man, for Facebook. When I read the message, I was touched, man. My body has in it. I beg, tell them what you tell me.
My people, this matter, a tie rapper. As it be, like they say, I don't lose my work. Oh, I lose my work after I marry. As I marry, so now my wife can't dey do anyhow because of say my oga why they work with, he don't sack me for work. As he sack me for work like this, I no come know wetin else to do. Na so I come dey drink up and down, dey mesmerize myself. But the one wey come pay me be say my wife wey I put for house. Oh, now I come dey hear say they run matter with chief. My former oga wey be say I put me for this level why dey, wey be say I dey drink, just dey mesmerize myself. Anywhere where I dey na drink we go dey see.
So now, you dey hear, not be say you don't catch your wife with chief, abi, but you dey hear wetin people they talk, wetin some of your friends they tell you. So, abi,
na wetin I be o, I just dey hear people. Anyone wey come, he go tell me say, you be useless man o.
So Mr. Chika here say make I help am find out if this thing na really, this way in the year na true. So this na wetin we go do. We no waste time.
Okay.
You go collect your wife phone, not let her know. You know her password, abi.
I know.
You collect her phone, collect your wife phone. I know so you still get your former organ number. So dial your former organ number for your wife phone. Make you see wetin your wife take save your organ number, your former organ number. Anything we take save am, use delete the number, delete that number, delete and come from the phone, then save your own number with that same name where your wife take save your former organ number.
Okay.
Save your number with that same name, then delete your own number from the phone. The one where your wife take save your number, delete and then use your number, take save the name, that same name where your wife take save chief
number.
Yes. Okay. So that now this is what we are going to do. You go chat, then you come dey chat your wife. Not let her know. If you even dey inside bedroom, dey chat her. If you dey inside toilet, anywhere they chat her, tell them say make una meet for a Bcoz hotel.
Bcoz hotel.
Yes, for Thomas Estate for Aja. I go send you the address. So you go chat. If your wife call you, no answer. Tell her say you are in a meeting. Let her meet you there. Make we take control her come the hotel. If she come the hotel, then we go know whether truly your wife and chiefs get something. So guys, that's what we are going to do. So I go send you the address. I will take you. You'll come there, come meet me.
Okay.
Don't worry, I go handle everything.
But is there any way we feel connect chief? Make chief even come the hotel. Make we catch all of them.
That will not be issue. Make your wife come first. Then we'll know as we take run that matter.
Okay, no problem, Baba.
So guys,
I trust you.
Most way to feed to man. Yeah, so
wow. I love this place.
I've been now.
Now we won't lodge.
Yeah, I go lodge you for a year so that your wife will feel calm. You go out just as I tell you now. So
okay.
Now they relax. So
yeah.
It makes sense now. Alright, I go book one room for you and madam. Everything goes well. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Want to book a room? Yeah, one night. You said?
All rates are 20,000, 35 to 25,000, what's the place called?
I think the one of 30 is fine.
One of 30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the standard price?
The what?
The standard price is 20. My collection of 20. Yeah, the one of 20 is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Transport.
Yeah, I'll use my card. Oh, this place is beautiful, man.
No, it makes sense. Is it one of the places I love?
Yeah. Okay. Up. So you call. Oops, you got the chatter up.
I've been talking with her since, so
Okay.
she said she's on her way.
All right.
And I'm trying to make something else. Wow. I love this hotel. It's very beautiful.
Yeah, now here for the relax now. A Bakeway hotel.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's why you are fresh like this.
Waiting now.
Oh,
Everything did this hotel, everything you want.
wow.
So what's up? Any information?
Yeah, how far? Yes, she just chatted me as I enter. She said she's on her way.
Okay.
But maybe by now she will be inside the hotel.
Okay, fine. I placed 2 cameras.
Okay.
1 camera for Grand
Okay.
and another one for inside room. So the one will record her as she dey enter inside the hotel. Why this one will cover everything with the you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, so if they don't even tell me, say they see one lady, maybe that she with the. Okay, so let's calm down now, Mr. Sister. Let's see first. Hear from her first.
My wife
Sit down, Baba.
cheating with my ex oga who just sacked me.
Just relax. Sit
I
down.
don't die. Eh? So this is what she has been doing.
Sit down, chicken.
Don't tell me to sit down.
This is the woman. So what I did was, I placed 1 cameraman downstairs and another camera upstairs. So this one go record the woman at entrance and everything so that you guys will see it. Although she not know say then the recorder, and I don't tell my camera guy make it dey extra careful. So make we see how it go be or how the thing go end up. I hope and I pray everything goes well. So guys, watch out.
Yes. Who is there? Come in. Oh, please! This one! I will make sure this one today. You know what you use when you come here? It's supposed to find out if it's true. Now, we go bring one day here. I'm already here! I'm already here with my money! How much is doing? I will do this one today. Are you having anything with Mr. Peters? Jesus. You didn't lie! You didn't lie! I'm lying. You said right.
I am not lying. This is my first time. Only I'm sorry, I'm not cheating on you.
Shut up your mouth, this woman, I will kill you. Come on for that. Oh,
He's only helping us. He's only
it's not
assisting
because
us.
of you.
Listen,
Now you they hold me, I will kill this woman.
the reason why we brought her here is for us to find out
we don't
if she's
find out.
telling the truth. To let her explain what we hear.
What do you want her to explain? You don't catch her, they won't catch
I'm
her.
not cheating on you.
I will leave on her for you. I will leave this place now.
I don't like
Let's listen to her now.
Okay, I talk.
This man has seen
Let
that.
me talk.
My head, oh.
Imagine.
Sorry. Sit down. Come.
I'm not cheating.
You're not cheating.
I'm not cheating.
You dey lie.
I'm not lying. I'm not cheating. I know they cheat.
That's why you dey wear
I know they cheat.
better clothes. You don't say wear better wig.
I'm not cheating.
Because they give you big money.
I'm not
Let's
cheating.
listen. So what
I'm not
actually
cheating.
happened? Who is chief
Don't
to
worry.
He's just a friend, an admirer. He just likes me, you know, and he's just assisting.
but-
My husband has no job. How do you want us to survive?
Madam, what
He
did
drinks.
they pay? Yes, what did
He
they pay me?
drinks.
Say this same chief now your husband former oga.
My oga o, my
Na
boss.
sakam. Na sakam.
I go. No dey hold me. Make I kill this
Why
woman.
you? What are you doing
You
with
dey
him?
stupid.
He's helping us. My husband has been a drunkard. He's a drunk. He's a drunk.
And then how dey do my work? How dey do my
Which
work?
work?
How dey do my work?
I'm not cheating. I'm only assisting the family. I'm assisting the family.
What did chief dey do for you? Tell me. What did they do for
He
you?
has money more than you, but I am not cheating. He's assisting. The shop I have now that we are feeding on, he's the one that opened it for us. Only try and understand.
You must very stupid this woman.
I'm not
You must be very
cheating.
stupid. I'm killing you today.
This is the first time I'm coming to meet him. This is the very first time, and it is because he promised me to pay our children's school fees.
You dey
That's why
lie.
I'm
I've
here.
been tracking you since over 5 days ago. You are lying.
Chika.
Look at this woman.
You know what? She don't talk say chief. She never do anything with chief. Now chief dey force her. This one na based on say chief dey promise her heaven and earth. And this is actually the first time she's coming to meet chief. So what's going to happen? For us to know whether she dey lie or whether she dey talk the truth, we have to invite chief. Madam, I don't know your name, but you will have to call chief. That's what we're going to do. You have to call chief and tell chief to meet you in this hotel. Make chief come this hotel, come meet you tomorrow.
He will come to do what? Do you want to beat him?
Let's find out the truth. So, Mr. Chika, I've already paid for the whole day for this hotel.
Okay.
So tomorrow we'll call chief. Your wife will call chief. Chief will come to the hotel. So I will find out that fight, that energy wey you wan do it, reserve am for chief. If
This woman na shawo.
I will call your
I
wife.
want to
Calm down
the
now.
house. Don't push me up.
Stop that. I don't like you.
Imagine.
Stop that. Please. Madam, stand up. Please. It's okay.
I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating.
Shut up your mouth, you useless woman.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Stop being a drunk. Stop being a drunk.
You see me drinking?
Come up to your
You see me drinking?
You see
Say like that.
You're a drunk. Come up to your
He's depressed now. He's depressed. Frustrated after the sack. Was he like this before?
So because he's depressed.
Oh, God, come on, hold. Make her wound this woman. She dey cheat on me. You know what you go do?
I'm not cheating.
Allow me beat this woman.
Tomorrow we'll
That's
invite
the only thing
you
you
to the
know.
hotel.
And the only thing Sabi do to beat me. See yourself.
Oh, now you dey go the floor, chief.